how to save your ChatGPT conversations and account data on your Android phone. Here's how to export your ChatGPT data. Open the ChatGPT app on your Android phone. Tap the menu icon in the top left corner. Tap your profile icon at the bottom left corner. Scroll down. Look for Data Controls. Tap Data Controls. Find Export Data. Tap Export Data to request a copy of your ChatGPT data. ChatGPT will prepare your export, and you'll receive an email with a download link when it's ready. Open the email and tap the download link to save your data. Keep in mind that the export may take some time to arrive. That's it. You've successfully requested your ChatGPT data export. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more ChatGPT tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.